secret grotto where I collect things from. A human world I kept my special spot, hidden for a long time, but eventually my father discovered it. Now that I'm married to the priest, I am always busy going to fancy parties, planning beauties, and learning how to act. I like royalty, now being a princess called me beach such a hard work. But I have another secret, a secret that even my best friend Flounder doesn't know. When I was a little mermaid, I always imagined what it was like on land, but my father forbade me to go there. So I go now. Luckily, I found a place I can escape to when I need a break from my prince duties and want to be with my dangerous little friends. The best part is that it's my very one secret, hiding spot. One day I disobeyed him and swam to the surface. I was a bit nervous about what I'd find, but I was so excited to see land for the very first time. I have lots of parties in my secret room. The mice and the share tea while they tell me all the news from the field. Once Susie told me that the butter share had fallen in the lab with the never keeper, that here they were planning a beautiful garden wedding. I watched birds fly and felt the warm sun beat down on my face. But something else happened when I reached land, something I kept secret for a long time. A woman saw me. Basa. Glad to hear about the royal bounce, I tell him story about dining with king. Every car saw me thinking I eat with fine for always make us hungry. I saw him first. He was a young boy with dark hair and blue eyes. I watched him from a distance as he splashed around in the water with a furry little animal he called Max. Huwag medyo Snow White gusto niya. Nigel, hindi pandong yan.
O, yung huli nyo na.